Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Settings and going straight to Passwords and Security. This ensures you access fingerprint management. Once you authenticate with your PIN or password, you reach the Fingerprint menu where enrolled fingerprints are listed. You do this because the system requires a secure unlock before allowing deletions. Now, tap the specific fingerprint name or icon you want to remove. Make sure to pause and confirm you selected the correct entry to avoid deleting the wrong fingerprint. You now see details for that fingerprint. Press Delete or Remove and the phone will prompt a confirmation. Confirming is required to prevent accidental loss of biometric data, so read the dialog and then accept. Once you tap Confirm, the system processes removal. This can be instantaneous or take a second. Make sure to retry if the entry persists. Sometimes the UI needs a refresh, or you must re-enter your PIN to finalize the change before the fingerprint disappears. Finish by returning to the fingerprint list to verify deletion. Once done, lock and unlock the phone to ensure the fingerprint no longer unlocks the device. If the fingerprint still appears, restart the phone and re-authenticate to force the system to refresh the list. As a key troubleshooting tip, if deletion remains persistent, go to App Settings Storage and clear cache for settings, or check for MIUI updates. This often resolves UI glitches that prevent a fingerprint from being removed cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.